Uintas, it wasn't just trapping beavers that kept a man alive. Firewood was gold. Without it, you froze. Every stick had to be cut by hand, hauled, split, and stacked. And that was a monumental task. The mountain men of the fur trade must have gone through a mountain of firewood every winter. How much do you go through? I go through about 3 to 4 cords per winter. How about you? Let me know in the comments how much firewood you use to keep your wood stove warm during the winter months.